So this guy right here, he's been around for a long time, and I pretty much started with him. So um, check out his website. You can go through his blog. He's got an iTunes thing. Um, he's got a podcast. If you fill this out, he'll send you 3 videos, but the videos are good. He is more into. Uh, I actually rode with this guy in Georgia. His name is Chaz. Yeah. Georgia. Yeah, North Georgia. There you go. Yeah, I rode with him for a day. Um, the thing about this is he's more into selling security systems, but it doesn't matter, you know? It it really doesn't matter at all. The thing about um there's this thing called cross pollination. There's this guy named Dan Kennedy, and he does like he used to be big into teaching people how to do like send things, send like letters out, and then like follow up letters and all this different stuff. And he was big in real estate, and a lot of people, are do very very well with real estate. So when it comes to real estate, um, you go into real estate and you got to be small at first, but little by little you keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and those guys are so educated. The guys that are teaching in real estate are so educated, and then you look at roofing, or you look at HVAC, or you look at um, even this industry. It's not as well developed as real estate. It's just not. So what you want to do is you want to go and find out what these guys are doing that are killing it in certain fields, and you want to see how they're making money, and then pull the door to door stuff that they're doing to sell their alarm systems and pull that into what we do. See, Grant Cardone, everybody knows who that is. Not everybody, but a lot of people know who that is. But he concentrates more on real estate. But he's getting into the car sales now, way more. And then he'll probably end up getting into, but his thing is he wants to cross pollinate. That's his biggest thing, And the more he cross pollinates, the more he's going to be able to get more of the market. But our thing is we're in a industry, but to be short-sighted and to not think, how can I find more information by looking at, stuff about alarms. Like this guy right here can sell, and I taught him about Spadio, so he's probably killing it with Spadio now, and Spadio is not made for roofers. It wasn't started like that. But when I saw it, I was like, man, this makes all the sense in the world. Like, why would I not have Spadio? So, um, just you might want to study from this guy and start with his YouTube. Start with his YouTube. This is like Becca Switzer. She's that roof sales mastery girl. And I'll probably end up doing a video on her too. The thing about her is she's a monster, and she taught me a whole bunch of stuff just by watching her YouTube videos. And I got one of her courses because it was given to me by a sales manager. But you want to learn that stuff. What I did with her is I got her pitch, and I copied it, not copied. I recorded it onto my phone, and then I listened to it maybe, I don't even know how many times, because I wanted that information. I wanted to see what would happen. And, like, you do that. So wise. Go into Grant Cardone. Go into anything like that and just start learning. He's a monster, you know? Um, this guy is a monster.
Once you realize that nobody gives a
Parental advisor, you know? There's so many people out there that are outstanding trainers and motivation. Um, don't be one sided. That's all I got to say. Check it out. I bought his course, and you can go in and you can check it all out. Goals, numbers game. What was that? Stay focused. The opener, building value, building urgency. The close, handling objections. That's what I'm saying. Like, he is, yeah, recruiting salespeople. He's got a whole thing on how to recruit. He's got a tracking sheet. Um, yeah, I endorse him. There you have it, folks.